Meet Kim, a busy businesswoman. For her busy work and tight schedule, she often requires to meet different clients. To reach the airport or return home, she needs cab services every now and then. She was looking for a reliable cab service provider for all these years. Scrolling down on the internet, she found the website https://bigtexascabs.com/. She found Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service as the most reliable yellow cab service provider in Haltom City, Texas. She found out that they maintain their cabs regularly and their drivers are polite and dedicated towards the customers. Soon she booked her cab by filling the online application cab service to DFW Airport. She liked her ride that was smooth, comfortable yet affordable. Kim still continues to book her cab from Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service, wherever she wants. Do you want to experience a high-standard cab ride within an inexpensive cost? Then book your cab by filling their online application form or by dialing 817-881-6863.